And I want to finish by coming back to the question this session opened with. The future belongs to whoever controls the infrastructure that intelligence runs on. This is a description of how things already work. AI is inside the decisions that run businesses, governments, and institutions today. Whoever controls the infrastructure holds real power. And before you sign your next AI contract, ask yourself one question. Under what law does my AI live? If you can answer this clearly, you are ahead of many organizations in Europe. If you are not sure, it is worth finding out. The window to make this choice on your own terms before a regulator or a crisis forces it is still open. And if you want to see what this look in practice, come and talk with us. Thank you.